Hey, Gwen. We were watching those horses, weren't we? They were running around, kicking up their legs. But now that I went and got my camera, they're on the far side of the pasture. Yes. So we'll just take pictures of Gwen. Yes, looks like you're fresh from your bath. Was that in some nice, good, fresh, cold water I got you out of the well? Just the way you like it? Trying hard. Hey, the bluebirds are here. I picked up my camera. The bluebirds are here. I've been trying to get their picture and they are so wary about seeing me move. But there's 3 of them right now. Oh no, the cat just jumped up our cat. You scared them away again. There was You scared him away, little kitty. Yeah, you scared him. Brat, pussycat.
Let's go out walking, I'll kick the leaves. Can you smell the smoke from the chimneys? Out on the edges of town, cornfields cut down. The scarecrow's job is over now. The first snow's coming down, life slows down. Life as I wish it could be. But I'll take this moment now. The first snow's coming down and it's falling on you and me. White sheets cover the streets.
You're here
and you
too,
know
huh?
that fall is over. A flock of birds breaks the silence to go where life is warmer. The first snow's coming down, life slows down, life as I wish it could be. But I'll take this moment now, the first snow's coming down and it's falling on you and
I
me.
think it's only 3 degrees again today. Been just hanging around 3 or 4 degrees.
So let it cover our tracks of yesterday, of yesterday.
Are you the
It's
one that
like
keeps
a
pulling those
new
out?
beginning, come what may, come what may. The first snow's coming down, life slows down, life as I wish it could be. But I'll take this moment now, the first snow's coming down and it's falling on you and me.
Everybody needs